Okay, I want to talk about an assignment that we're going to be doing this week where you are identifying text features in nonfiction books and materials. So when you think about text features, and this is the National Geographic Kids United States Atlas, we're talking about things like your table of contents that would be in the front of your book, looking and evaluating the entire sequence, the organization of the book as a whole, looking at the pattern in the book. There will be a pattern of how they give their different information, the pictures that they use, the captions, the bold-faced words or italicized print that they use. And what you'll be looking for as you're evaluating a nonfiction book is for those patterns and thinking about the person or people who created this book. What was the purpose? And all of the text features are basically tools that they use to organize the information that they're trying to give to you, how they go about doing that, whether or not that's effective, how effective it is, evaluating that, and looking at the text features that are in a book as tools that you can use to increase your reading comprehension. Okay? So when we're looking at the United States Atlas, this is National Geographic, and you're looking at what I'm going to have you filling out. Can you see this? What this is asking you to do, of course put your name on the paper, is to first put the title of the nonfiction book that I assign you in here with the author. And then it's asking you for each one of the text features that's listed, is this text feature easy to use? So you're going to evaluate it for the book that I've given you. Thinking about why or why not, and answering that question here, or if you don't have enough space, get a piece of notebook paper and answer it on another piece of paper. And then it says, use the table of contents to record a chapter title, its number, and beginning page. Okay? It goes on and it asks you to do that for all of these different types of text features. So, sequence and format. When they talk about sequence and format, they're talking about when you look at the pattern in the book, how is the text sequenced? How is it formatted? Do they have titles and subtitles on every page? How is it organized? So let's take a look at the National Geographic and see. We can find a pattern here once you start getting into this book. That, first of all, it's color-coded up at the top. They have created sections for this atlas based on geographic region, which you can see in the table of contents. So if I want to look at the Northeast United States, and specifically if I want to go to New York, I know what page number to go to. That makes it user-friendly and easy to read, and it's color-coded, so that helps with kids. And then looking at the title, looking at how this page is organized. They've got an actual map. They've got a key. Okay? They have several pictures with captions, these captions that tell us more information about the pictures that we're seeing for New York. They have a chart here that gives more information about, this is about the population of New York. Another picture with a caption. And then this, we could call this a sidebar or a text box. And it gives a lot of the basic information for New York. Now, looking at the organization, and then here in the middle, of course, they've got some basic text. Another picture and a caption. Let's look at a different page. If we turn over and we look at Pennsylvania, we see that the organization is basically the same from Pennsylvania to New York. And so we can see generally how they're organizing all of the different parts of this book. So you're going to go through the book that I give you, And you're going to look for all of the text features that are listed here and provide examples and evaluate how well you think the author of this book did in organizing the book in an easy way so that the reader can find information, so that the reader knows what this is about and knows what the purpose of this book is. And there's also space on the back, because sometimes some of the text features listed here are not the ones in your book, but you may have additional text features that are not listed here that have a purpose for your book. And so you're going to identify what those are and tell us why are they effective or important for the purpose of the book that I gave you.